I know it's been a long time, but I'm hiding in my closet. I'll tell you why. Because it's damn hot and we're in a house with no insulation. And I just, with my hormones already giving me hot flushes and stuff, I just can't bear the heat. So wearing clothes, especially bras, is not easy at the moment. So I am literally sitting in my wardrobe, my office, my wardrobe, Cloffice, I think I called it. And I'm just working on the computer doing stuff, avoiding going out. The only time I go out is when I'm so hot that I need to go out, dip in the pool, get back in, come and sit in here where it's a little bit cooler with a fan on. But getting dressed up, doing outfit photos is really difficult at the moment because it's crazy. It's like the last week, the last few days, it's been over 40 degrees, which is just insane. I think if we'd have been living in the old house, we would have been okay because that had insulation and it was actually quite comfortable. Plus we had air conditioning in our bedroom. This place doesn't. It has no insulation, so it's like it's sucking in the heat. And the shutters in this house are dark green, so they like suck all the heat as well. So it's let's just say it's a little bit uncomfortable. So yeah, that's why I've not been around much lately. So anyway, I just thought I wanted to let you know, just so you know I'm still alive.
Oh, it's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
And I'm just waiting for it to cool down a little bit. And I'm eagerly waiting for the house to be built, which is going on at the moment. I really hope that by this time next year we'll be in there, but I don't know. It would be nice, but I really don't know, but we'll see. But let me show you how I'm living at the moment. Just give me a sec. So as you can see, curtains closed. I have the shutters closed behind there as well. This one, I have the curtains closed, but the shutters open because the sun isn't directly on there yet, so it's not too hot. But later, I will have the shutters closed. So I'm in here in the dark, my little corner with my lovely little computer and the fan. And then we have down here, and I've got everything closed. Well, everything closed. Bedroom all closed up. Living room all closed. All closed because it's crazy hot. We even got sheets on the sofa, so when we're here in the evening, if we want to watch TV, the leather sofa is a nightmare, so I've just got sheets on there to try and cool it down, but it doesn't help that much, but it's something, I guess. So yeah, that's how I'm living at the moment. Having bad hair day, but not going anywhere, so it doesn't really matter. So that's it. I thought I would just show you, and hopefully, fingers crossed. Actually, I can show you the build. I'll show you what's happening in the build. The view from this house. Okay. Let me turn you around. So here we go. So that's what's happening at the moment. That's over there. So it's still pretty messy, but we're slowly getting there. So yeah, that's what's happening in my life at the moment. Fingers crossed it will cool down soon. I can stop doing this with my hair. I'm growing it again, by the way. Something else. Right, that's it. Just wanted to give you an update so you know that I was still around. And I promise I will be around a lot more once the weather has cooled down. I shall see you soon. I hope it's cooler where you are. Take care. Bye.